I'm sure after taking this all again combined, but top 3 key takeaways anyone wants to go.
Patient should be correct, because the important thing about this whole exercise is having a clean data. If your data is not clean, then the effort that you're putting in dashboarding is wasteful. So we need to go to the basics, understand the cleansing of data, get that corrected, and then I think we already have tools and things available on implementation side. We can fasten that whole process. So that is one key takeaway that I took from this.
Perfect, fantastic.
Someone said कि जो delivery है वो इतने अरसे बाद आ रही है, although the data was tweaked. So I think if it is represented in a best possible manner, we can take quick decisions. So this will help us a lot if we will utilize this tool.
जो एनालिसिस होती है एलटीआर वगैरह के लिए, सो उसके अंदर एनालिस्ट बेचारे सारे बैठ के जो है ना शीट्स के ऊपर काम कर रहे होते हैं. आई थिंक उसके अंदर अगर हम ये इन्फोर्स करेंगे तो इट्स जस्ट भी कि 2023 में लेट से कौन सी हमारे पास डिलीवरीज आ रही हैं, वो एक फिल्टर हमने साइसर लगाया, उससे सारी डाटा हमारे पास आएगा, जस्ट वन क्लिक. सो ये सारे एनालिस्ट ये चीज़ इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली फॉर द क्रिटिकल आइटम्स, एलटीआर आइटम्स. तो
some few templates and then our data will automatically get into the shape rather than doing repetitive work. We can automate it. So automation is the my key takeaway from this.